What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of the Goodwill. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. Alright, we came on over to the media, and this is pretty interesting. We have Eastbound and Down, seasons 1, 2, and 3 on Blu-ray. And it looks like we have the Underworlds, so some decent looking stuff. I think I've sold this full collection before. It's $5 here, so we're gonna have to look it up. Alright, so Eastbound and Down ended up being pretty good. Look at that, used price $88, so turn my 5 into over 60. I'll take it. Alright, we got a couple sealed things mixed in here as well. We're gonna have to look it up. What is this? The Pelican Brief. Let's scan this in together. I have my Amazon app pulled up. Alright, it's selling for $11.26, so I'll make $4.55 after fees. These are $2, so I'll double my money, so I'll take it. Why not? We have another right here. Anastasia, and this one's kind of ripped open, but we'll take a look at these real fast, see what we got. Alright, so I did go through pretty much all the DVDs, and we got some really good things. This Moonlighting, I saw Bruce Willis there, and I'd never heard of this. Take a look at this, guys. Selling for brand new, about $50. This one's used, but the used price is higher than the new price, so it's probably worth about $45, $39, $99, something like that. Not bad. It was only $3. And then I got some weird movie for myself, another weird movie for myself. Both are worth a little bit. 1408 for myself. I've been looking for it. Then we got a couple sealed 2.5 Men DVDs right here. Pretty sweet. They have the Target stickers on the back, so I know that they're legit from Target. So that's nice. Brand new sealed. Season 6 and Season 3. Pretty cool. And then we did grab that Eastbound and Down. We grabbed a sealed Anastasia, which I don't think was worth anything. I don't know why I put this in the cart. I'm gonna have to put that back. We got Lost Season 4 because I'm trying to get the whole collection to sell as a big bundle, and I'm missing Season 4. And then we grabbed that sealed one earlier, the Pelican Brief. So, not too bad. Guys, I found a T-Rex with a helmet. He's a cop T-Rex, or is he like Captain America? Oh, what? That's actually kind of cool. It's only $1. This has to have value. If it's only $1, come on. I'm trying to see what it says on the bottom of its foot there. So on its foot, it says 2017 Hasbro, and it does work. When you, well, it did work. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look this guy up. So I looked him up, and he is missing like backpack thing. You could see on the phone right here from Play School Heroes. Used $23, but he's supposed to have a guy on his back with kind of a blaster in his hands, so he's not going to be worth much, missing the parts, which is a shame. He's cool looking, but I'm going to leave him behind even for $1. Alright, just pulled out this Domino's Double 9. It's only $2. Everything's inside here. We just double checked. And at $2 after fees, you'll make about $4 after your buy cost. So it's definitely worth it to snag. I guess I'll grab it for $2. I also saw this really cute little avocado plushie, and it is only $1. It's from Stu Leonard's, which is like a supermarket chain here in Connecticut. They might be in other states, but pretty cool. There's only, oh, it plays music. Alright, I got to stop playing music, but there's only one listed on eBay for $30 and no solds, so I'm just gonna snag it at $1. I could throw it up for $25 and hopefully get a sale. And then I just noticed this cool, whoops, now it's dirty. It's a little plushie, a little bear from New Orleans. My name is blank, was born on blank. It's not used. It's called Color Me plush from 2022, so it's brand new. I'm gonna have to look into this also. So I haven't found anything else in here, but we're still looking around. Cart's looking pretty good. We got all the media, we got the plush, we got the toy, got some champagne flutes, personal use, but a lot of personal use in here, but we gotta find some stuff to sell. I love how nice that looks. The blue, the green, the orange. Looks really cool this side. Kind of pink, I guess. I don't know. We're gonna look down an aisle here. Do we need some eggs? These are kind of cool. Kind of plastic. Not really good quality, I don't think. You know, we might have to check some clothing out. See if we can find some clothing, because the shelves are just looking very tchotchke-esque. What was this? 3-corner flashcards. That might be something. I don't think that's a real barcode. I don't even know if they're all in there, to be honest. We'll leave that. What do we have here? A Ziggy. He cartoon guy, yeah, that's vintage tablecloth. Cool little Christmas tablecloth. I'll probably leave it. Look at that. It was on sale for $1.35. They're asking $1 here. Still a good discount. Here we go. We found a cake pan here. Maybe it's more like little mini cupcakes. It's a Wilton, and I love finding these. This one's $3. That's the model number right there. 2105 3845. I'm gonna try and search this up, see if this one's worth it. So I found the listing here, but the rank is way too high. It is selling for 30 bucks on Amazon, but at over 3 million, that means it's just not gonna sell that fast or at all. So this one we'll put back. There's also a big bird and a lamb. I've actually sold this lamb cake pan a couple times in the past. It's 2 pieces and you kind of push them together. That one might be worth it. I'm not so sure about big bird, but we'll look both these up too. Alright, so the rank on this was also too high, so I'm leaving it. This, I think, is actually a knockoff Wilton, but I opened it up, and there's a dead fly in there. I'm going to leave that one behind. That's really gross. This ended up being cool, though. It was sitting right back here. It's a brand new sealed cribbage game. It's $3. I'm going to make $5 after fees on it, so not too bad. And that's with my $3 buy cost accounted into it, so I'm definitely snagging that. Turning around, I noticed this cool hippo cookie jar. It's taped shut. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart on me. Threshold. Isn't that Target, I think? It's only $5. This is so cool. But if it's from Target, they might only sell it there for $15. I don't know. But it's heavy. It feels like it could be worth more than that. Do I take a gamble on it? I could try to look it up. I only have 1% phone battery left. I feel like that happens to me a lot. So, yeah. Let's look into them. Alright, so we have hippo sitting there, and I'm using backup phone right here. And this says the most recent one sold, what, is that today, March 14th, for $43 plus $20 shipping. And then when somebody put them on auction, it's only $15. This isn't something I think you'd want to auction, but it looks like it has a really good sell-through, and it just depends on where you feel like pricing it, but it looks like it could definitely get around 40. And it's only $5, so we're snagging that. I also grabbed this Christmas Story leg lamp tea light holder. It's brand new, but I can't find any for some reason, so I don't know if it's going to be worth it, and there's also no price on it, so I'll probably end up leaving it behind. We are now back home, and I listed up the hippo. He's sitting here. I have to reorganize this eBay shelf. This is looking a little rough, but hippo's sitting here. I listed him for 65 bucks, which is what the other one sold for with shipping included. I think I have best offer on there, so we'll see if he sells. I really hope he does. It's actually a few days later from thrifting, but we still have the avocado. I have to get him listed. It was only $1. That seems like a pretty darn good deal. Hopefully it sells for 25 bucks. That'd be pretty awesome. Again, there are no solds on it, but sometimes if things are cool enough, I'll just pick them up and try it out. I have a lot more things that I am listing right now. I'm digging stuff out of the garage. If you want to take a quick look, you can see the garage is looking mighty full at the moment. There is some space here, but I bought all those lanterns not too long ago, still going through those, trying to get them cleaned up and listed as fast as I can. It does take some time. And then we have things that I'm pulling down off this homemade shelf I did back here. And we have a bunch of stuff going off to Amazon. We'll take a quick look at this. We got a bunch of Nerf footballs that I bought at one point. We have some N64 controllers, PlayStation controller, board games. So lots of cool stuff, lots of work trying to clear out the space. And then I have my makeshift photo station in the garage at the moment, taking all the pictures here of the lanterns. I took the hippopotamus picture here, and even though the actual floor, the ground is kind of messed up, it's kind of chipped up and dirty wood, with the app Photo Room, I'm able to make pictures still look great here because it deletes the background anyways. It just has to be semi-close to white, so it doesn't really bother me too much. But yeah, not bad. Just gonna be hanging out in the garage. It's a nice day today. Gotta get things listed up and shipped out of this house, shipped out of this garage. I have another pallet of media coming, should be coming today, except I haven't gotten a call from the pallet delivery service, but I have a pallet of media, and I just finished my last one. And so it's nonstop. It's churn and burn, shipping things off to Amazon, listing things on eBay. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. It's Thrift School signing out. See ya.